Sai Tarun, you have
Yeah,
something?
Murugan, like I just wanted to say, the way you explain things and the way you clarify the things, like you are a corporate saver, basically.
Thanks
All
for
these
that.
we people with miss lot of things. Like nobody helps us in the corporate life, right? Everybody is a selfish. Like here we can give nice,
True,
everything is
true.
good.
Yeah, thanks a lot. Yeah, people did not help me as well. That's the reason. Like I started this one. So yeah, but I can understand. Thanks a lot. But yeah, there are a lot more people to help you because only thing is one suggestion is put it everything on the group. If you have any doubts, put it on the group. Like me, like there are a lot of people who just waiting for you to ask them. Okay, I mean I'm not going to point out who are they. The reason why we created this community is not just to sell the courses or make money, right? So we are already making money in software, in engineering department, all the other things. So the reason why we created this community is to solve these problems. Many people said, hey, Murugan, money is not a problem, but we are not finding a group of people with a like-minded things and who are also helping others. So trust me, my friends, a lot of my friends, they already made a good money, but they just want to network with others. They don't have a place to network. So these are all the reasons we created this community. In this community, there are people who have knowledge and everything. They are also interested to help other people, but the problem is they are not finding a problem. See, when there is a problem only, then you can go and help, right? So now let's say you have a problem, post it in the group. Other people will jump in and help you, and this will also help you in building the network. And one more thing, like in our group, there are a lot of HRs and hiring people. They are also closely monitoring who are all active and everything. I know it is getting recorded, but still, this we never marketed anything outside. We never say in this group our HRs are there because HRs and hiring managers, they called us and asked me, Murugan, we are unable to find quality people. I know, like Splunk is booming nowadays. We cannot find experts in every field, right? But at
Yeah,
least we need a people who is actually going through this journey, who is actually learning, who is actually practicing. So they want to see people who are practicing. That's the reason I'm saying, like, post it in group, have an interaction so that people can see and they can directly reach out to you for the job. But right, uh,
yeah,
if people overthink and they don't share anything on the group, we are purposefully saying, like, post it on a group, help other people. So put everything in a group, share it, be active. See, end of the day, what hiring manager wants, so they want a person who is active, who has a sound knowledge on the group, right, on the
sure.
subject, right? See how Divya said I have sound knowledge. How did she know? So because she saw me talking too many things, sharing too many things, that's how she understood. Same way you guys also do it. But I'm not going to say who's HR, who's hiring manager, because then it will be a thing. But there are people who are monitoring this community. We invited them. They are actually expecting people to share and people to have, because they want a leaders, not just a layman people, right? So
Yeah.
please use this community and yeah, get it well.